Hello, Sonia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, welcome. So today I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my hair and scalp when I'm in my protective styling season. Okay, so if you're interested, why don't you keep watching? Let's start by applying onion and ginger water onto my scalp. It contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that prevents breakage and also prevents dandruff and itchy scalp. So I'm going to apply them throughout my scalp and hair. But this step is optional because some of us are adverse to the smell of onion. So if you want, you can just use ginger or any other option that will give you the benefits that I'm talking about. So I'll apply it all over my hair. I'll wait for some minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll go and shampoo my hair. So since I'm waiting, I'll just go and boil some water. After it's hot, I'll shampoo and get back to you guys, okay? So I'm done washing my hair. You can see I washed my hair including the braids. The reason why I did it was to remove the onion, the ginger from my hair, if not all, at most 90% of it, and also to remove dirt, because believe it or not, the braids that we do, the locks, the protective style, they gather dirt from the environment. So that's another thing too. So I'll try and take out most of the water from it. So after ensuring that most of the water is out of my hair, I'll take my herbal oil. If you watch my previous video, you know about this herbal oil. So I'll take it and apply it to my hair. If you also want to know about this recipe, I'll leave the link in my bio. So in the description box. I'll leave the link in the description box. And also you can watch it after this video. So I'll try and apply the oil to my scalp. first the edges first. So it's time for honesty, you know. If we are really being true to ourselves, I say that most of the times whenever we put on our protective style, we forget about our hair. Like we don't even know what is on our hair. We forget about it. And I don't blame most of us because hair, taking care of hair is work, like serious work. So whenever we put on our protective styles, we forget about it, and that shouldn't be it. Our protective style should even be the like it's the chance for you to take care of your hair and treat whatever issues you have on your scalp, like dandruff and itchy scalp, because doing the protective styling, you can get access to your scalp very well. So I entreat all of us to start taking care of our hair also when we are in protective style. Don't forget about your hair in protective style. Don't neglect your hair at all. Can even help your hair to grow. Like you sit there and say that, oh, I'm in protective style, so I won't take care of my hair. Be there. So I'll apply the oil throughout my scalp. The edges are very important. Treat your edges very well with tender, loving care. Okay, I think the oil is enough. Otherwise, I'll pour everything. Oh, so I'll just leave it to dry. Yes, I'll just leave it to dry, air dry. So guys, this is it. This is how I take care of my hair when I'm in protective styling. So if you enjoyed this video, why don't you just click the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you get to see more videos about hair, beauty, and maybe lifestyle videos also. So subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified for any new video. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Bye.